In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book meetings with the Pipedrive meeting scheduler. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. First, open up your Pipedrive dashboard. Once you're in, take a look at the left sidebar and find the Activities section. This is where all your planning begins. Click on it and you'll be presented with various options related to your tasks and schedules. Next, we need to open the meeting scheduler. So once you're in the Activities section, look towards the top of the Activities table and click on the option labeled Meeting Scheduler. This tool is incredibly handy because it simplifies the entire process of setting up meetings. Now that you're in the scheduler, you'll see an option that says Pick Times. This is an excellent feature because it allows you to select specific time slots you want to offer your contacts instead of sending them your entire calendar. It's a great way to maintain some control over your availability. Moving on, let's set the duration for your meeting. In the top left corner, you'll see an option to define how long you want your meeting to last. You can choose from options like 15 minutes or 30 minutes, depending on how deep you want to dive into the discussion. After you've set your meeting duration, it's time to pick those specific dates and time slots. Click on the calendar to select the dates that work for you, and then choose the exact times you'd like to offer for the meeting. It's really important here to double-check that your time zone is correct, because no one wants to show up at the wrong time. Once you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click on Continue to proceed to the meeting details. Now you'll fill in the meeting details. Start by entering a clear, concise title for your meeting. This helps your contact know exactly what the meeting will cover. Next, you'll want to choose a location. If you're meeting in person, you can type in the address, or if it's a virtual meeting, you can paste in your video conferencing link right here. It's also a good idea to include a brief description or agenda for the meeting so that everyone knows what to expect. Once you've filled in all that information, click on Continue. Finally, we arrive at the last step, sharing the link. Pipedrive will generate a unique shareable link for your meeting. This is the magic link that you'll send to your contact. Just copy it and send it over via email, chat, or even text. Make sure you add a friendly note to give context about the meeting and why they should click on the link. And that's it. You've successfully booked a meeting using the Pipedrive meeting scheduler. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you